Hello and welcome. This is a sound called how make a grilled pre-browned maple ham roast sandwich. First thing you gotta do is you squeeze the mayo and on the slice of bread, and then after that you open up the pre-browned maple ham roast and you put together the pre-browned maple ham roast, and then on the slice of bread, and after that you put it together. And now take it to the grill. So you put it on the grill. Plug it in. Turn the grill on. Okay, what we have to do, it's not ready yet, we gotta let it grill. And then, see here it's green, but it's not quite ready yet. See that there's steam coming out. I think what we should do is try this again. I wonder why this keeps going like this. Okay, toast sandwich is completely grilled. Now I'm sorry for making it beep like this because I don't know why it does that. I hope you like it, folks. See. You can see here it's starting to grill. Let's go check. Oh yeah. It's starting to. We gotta let it cool for a minute. Let's try this again. I think we'll put to yellow this time. Okay, I think that's better. gotta be cautious about this, just so as you know. It's gone a little bit brown. Alright, let's go shut it off. Slightly cooked, not bad. Oh! Crud. And here is your grilled, pre-browned ham roast sandwich. Enjoy it, folks.